What's going on, YouTube? Uberman here. So today we are going to be using rubbing compound on the Chevy Impala because Red Carpet did it wrong, and I'm gonna have to redo the whole thing. So we're gonna use rubbing compound. We're gonna go over the whole car and get it cleaned up, get the paint as good as we can. Then we're gonna hit it with a coat of polish. And I'm not going to do a video of waxing it because it's all the same thing. But we're going to get into this. This is a big job. It's going to take probably a couple hours to get it done and do it right. It's my first time using a DA. I've always done this by hand, or I've used one of those cheap handheld, orbital deals. I went out and I bought an actual DA, and I'm going to be doing this at about 6,000 RPM for the rubbing compound. And then I'm going to be doing the polishing at probably 2,000 to 3,000 RPM. I do have the appropriate pads. I've got the cutting pads, the polishing pads, the finishing pads. I've got all the stuff that I need to do it. So let's jump into the video. I'll do a couple before pictures so you can see what she looked like before we, when we first got the car. And then we'll do the after pictures so you can see what it looked like when it was done. Enjoy the video. Alright guys, so that's it for the video. I hope you enjoyed it. This was a lot of work, but ultimately the car came out beautiful. I'm very happy with the job I did. Comment below, tell me what you think. The car is now up for sale for $4,500, and hopefully we can get it sold. As always, like, comment, subscribe, and stay safe out there.